Hello, we are happy that you joined us today on the webinar How to Leverage Your Brand Manager's Creativity for Efficient Multi-Channel Marketing.
Just some more points while we are waiting for some of the attendees to arrive. This is a live streaming and you're welcome to ask questions. We will try to cover them during the webinar.
Well, I hope you will hear us. If no, please leave a comment in the question box. This webinar will be recorded and available to review, so don't worry if you miss something interesting. So let us introduce ourselves. My name is Alex. I'm a leading multi-channel expert at the company Viseven, and today with me is Nina, a digital marketing manager.
Once again, I'd like to inform you that this is a live streaming and you're welcome to ask questions. Just type them in the chat window and we will answer them in the end of the session. And also, this video will be recorded and might be shared on your request.
Okay, let's go. As you might already know, the marketing situation in pharma industry has been rapidly changing. New technologies, solutions, and approaches are evolving. Remote calls with physicians, AR, VR applications, marketing automation. The demand in content creation grows. Discussions that strike the industry are as following. How fast does it take to create a new presentation for an e-detailing? What are the best ways to localize these assets for new markets? HCPs seem to prefer online meetings, but how to cover the demand in content? How to meet deadlines and launch email campaigns, creating new templates packs? How to think creatively under such a pressure?
So right now there already is technology that allows to create content that is completely channel agnostic and then plug it into any place within your strategy, blowing up silos along the way. This approach is new but already tested and lots of global life science companies implement it.
Now, we're going to share a user case of implementation of this approach. So meet Daniela. She's 30 and she's a brand manager in regional pharmaceutical company. Daniela's routine tasks are connected with brand strategy, planning, and marketing. Her working routine is recognizable to anyone in the industry. Content creation projects are split into parts and handed over to small agencies.
On the way are three main challenges. The first one, overwhelming development and implementation cost. Typically, about 7.4% of the whole marketing budget is dedicated to content, and Daniela's situation is now different. Next, slow content time to market. By the time all the agency coordination is done, the content itself has typically lost its value due to the changes in the market. And the third one, no time for creativity. Organizing and overseeing so many agency interactions infiltrated those precious moments over coffee when people get inspiration. Daniela dedicates 100% of her working time co-creating with agencies. At the same time, Daniela's role has a direct impact on brand marketing, making it success or failure, but she has no time for it. So, how to help her?
Well, so here's how the perfect strategy of engaging everything looks like, but how to set it all into motion.
To cope with all the processes, Daniela chose the Digital Content Factory with an integrated approach. From submitted request to final delivery, all the stages of the project were intended to be organized, coordinated, and implemented entirely within the Content Factory. The submitted task was automatically redirected to a network of responsible managers.
Rather than creating new content for each channel over and over again, it's possible to create it once and publish seamlessly to many channels. Complex becomes easy. The content is restructured into the smallest shareable multi-channel fragments ready to be used across channels. It enables to make all marketing materials consistent, reinforcing and speeding up flexible content production.
Digital Content Factory approach combines technology, content management platform, and digital content pipeline automation, from templating to localization and publish, Creating multi-channel content for all brands is now possible. The entire end-to-end content delivery described here is made stunningly fast and efficient for both the customer and the teams by a single unique platform. You file a request. Content Factory does the rest. That's all.
The idea behind Digital Content Factory is to make all the complicated and production related things coordinated, simple, and easy to control. It aims to free the manager on customer side from getting their hands dirty with tech and organizational procedures. From the other hand, they have full control of what's being crafted. In brief, it allows to decouple creative work and development, leaving more time for the manager to get inventive.
So, as I have said, Digital Content Factory approach combines technology, content management platform, and digital content pipeline automation, from templating to localization and publish. All is possible. Content design realization, analysis and translating into technical tasks, one click converting into the required format, animating and structuring up to the requirements, quality assurance and proofreading, approval and delivery.
Is a breakthrough solution, a perfect blend of technology and expertise for pharma and life sciences multi-channel content delivery, making marketing like state-of-the-art process. eWizard supports smooth content creation, certifies approved local vendors to deliver a service based on a standard self-service. And this is how the budget and time-consuming challenges are resolved. Automatic conversion from PDF, PowerPoint, InDesign into CLM presentation that enables to save cost and time. Storage and access to content with the help of Navigate. It's a brand portal. Fast and easy editing, localization, updating, and adapting. Library of approved files for reuse. Integration with Viva and other systems. Creating email templates, presentations for remote visits, and mobile applications.
Your wizard allows to work with different types of content. Most popular are interactive presentations for CLM, presentations for remote visits, templates for email complaints, mobile apps, iOS, Android, Windows, cross-platform, websites and portals, and calculators.
This is about management. Handy Visual Dashboard provides a helicopter view to content-related activities, such as dwell time on the slide, number and order of the slideshows, attitude to the slide, prescriptions, interactive questionnaires, chosen therapy, other values due to the CLM possibilities.
The final stage of working with the project is delivery. As after the being reviewed by Daniela, the project is completely ready to be passed to the field force, so it is essential to ensure that the content ideally matches the target system. And eVisert has smooth integration with Viva, Salesforce, IQVIA, and Adobe.
And this is also about saving time and cost. Faster go-to-market time, flexible adaptation, localization, and conversion of content for easier coverage of new regions and optimized content production without growing budget. Rapid launch of multi-channel strategy, emails, landings, and all of the supporting content.
So after the 3 months of pilot project, it's rather interesting to check what results Daniela has, ensuring the multi-channel content creation and delivery to digital content factory. Speaking numbers, 2 interactive presentations were launched in fields. 48 slides were adapted and reused. 12 email templates were approved for 4 workflows. 2 microsites were created. Due to smart creation, adaptation, and reuse, Daniela made possible to save 30% of campaign marketing budget compared to the previous experience with the digital agencies.
As you can see, tailoring and repurposing content to suit different audiences and channels is a brave new trend in pharma marketing. And here's some bonus. We have one great ebook for you with more details about our approach of creating flexible content. After this webinar, we'll send the link for downloading so you can get it and share with your colleagues.
And here you can see the QR code, just in case you want to download the book right now. And I hope that's all. So if you have any questions, feel free to write them in our chat box. So there are no questions right now. So in any case, we will be glad to provide you any information which is of your interest. And thank you for joining us today and stay tuned.
Very much. Have a great day. Bye bye.